Hey everyone, in this video, I will be teaching you how to buy fractional shares on Fidelity. First, open the Fidelity app and log into your account. On the home screen, choose the stock you want to buy. Once you have selected the stock, tap the buy button at the bottom of your screen. Next, select the account where you want to purchase the stock. Make sure the action is set to buy. Under quantity types, select dollars. Now enter the amount you would like to invest in your local currency. It can be as little as 1, 5, $20 or more. Fidelity will automatically convert that amount into fractional shares. After entering the amount, choose your order type and then tap Preview Order at the bottom. On the previous screen, carefully review the details. Double check that you have selected the correct account and entered the right amount. Once everything looks good, click on Place Order. Your fractional shares purchase will be completed. That's it. You have successfully bought fractional shares on Fidelity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.